Hi, welcome to the first in a series of micro-trainings provided by the Indiana Collegiate Action Network. This training is on the College AIM, Alcohol Intervention Matrix. There will be 4 micro-training segments for you to view, and you will be asked to complete questions after every session. When you've completed all of them, you will receive a certificate. We hope these trainings will provide you with valuable information and tools that you can use as you continue your work in student wellness on campus. Thanks for joining us, and let's get started. In this training, you should be able to explain the differences between evidence-based and promising practices, identify 2 individual level and 2 environmental level strategies from the College AIM, and evaluate your campus's current alcohol intervention strategies by using the College AIM Interactive Strategy Planning Worksheet. So, what is the College AIM? Where did it come from, and how can you use it? College AIM stands for Alcohol Intervention Matrix and is an easy-to-use and comprehensive tool developed by the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, NIAAA, to help campus professionals choose the best tool to address alcohol use among students, because not every strategy and every program is right for every campus. Using the College AIM tool, you can review your individual environmental level strategies to see how they compare to other alternatives, find new evidence-based options, and use the Interactive Strategy Planning Worksheet to help select a combination of approaches that meet your needs and your budget. So you're probably wondering how this tool is different than all the other tools you've seen and used. Well, College AIM is unique because of the in-depth research and analysis, the expertise of its contributors, and its user-friendly format. And through an extensive review of decades of scientific literature, it has resulted in a multi-year collaboration involving 16 leaders in college alcohol intervention research, more than 60 interventions rated for effectiveness, costs, and other criteria, and 2 user-friendly matrices and other resources. You know better than most how high-risk drinking impacts student health, mental health, academic achievement, and retention, all of which have been impacted even more greatly with all the negative effects of COVID. We know that high-risk drinking can also lead to failing in missed classes, dropped courses, and even dropping out of school. High-risk drinking can also unfortunately lead to unsafe sexual encounters, falls and other injuries, alcohol poisoning, and an increase in depression and anxiety, and also substance use disorder. Even students who don't drink can still experience secondhand effects like having disrupted sleep, having to care for a student who's had too much to drink, or becoming the victim of an alcohol-related crime. But we know that alcohol isn't the only substance that students are using, and they are engaging in other high-risk behaviors. Sometimes it's hard to know where to start first and where to focus prevention efforts and limited resources. Wisely, campuses are moving away from ineffective programs to those that have evidence behind them and are proven to change student behaviors and health outcomes. But where to start? College AIM provides the evidence-based information you need to compare a broad range of alcohol interventions, and these interventions are reviewed on a regular basis to make sure that science still supports the intervention and so that new interventions can also be added. By rating the effectiveness of more than 60 strategies, College AIM will help you identify those strategies that are most likely to reduce drinking and its harmful consequences, see how your current strategies compare with other options, find different research-based strategies to consider, and select a combination of approaches that meet the needs of your students and your campus. We know that you're already doing a lot of prevention planning and work on your campus. So how does the College AIM fit into what your current planning and strategies are? The College AIM is meant to be used in conjunction with what you're already doing. You can use it to help assess any problems on your campus and set your priorities, select the best strategies to address your problems, plan your strategies and how you will measure the results, and then implement your strategies. So, how do you use it? The first step is to go to the College AIM website to check out all of the information about the tool and to access other materials and resources. It's listed here on the laptop screen. Thanks for joining us for this first segment of the training on College AIM. Be sure to answer the brief questions so you can get a certificate of completion after the training is finished and so that we can continue to provide these trainings to you for free. We'll see you next time.